Open season.
Oh, you got your little pictures by your bed?
Oh, what do we got over here? It's time to be a little nosy. What's on your browser history?
What?
What's this? Brewster Babysitter. What's next? Silence of the Yams? You look just as goofy asleep as you do awake. Dingle, dingle, dingle. It was a lemon super. Snap is gonna wake up. Oh, wow. Oh, my head. That's unusually cold in here. Oh, well.
Did you miss me?
I've got a smile on your face. Boy, would I love to smack you right now. Stupid ghost hands. You look like an overgrown, cracked-out Powerpuff Girl. He's talking in his sleep. Oh, Vanessa, my 5 sugar lumps. Give me kisses. I'm your little bunny tail. I'm Vanessa. Put your hand on your head. Everything pixie sticks. Sugary goodness. Oh, God, I'm about to Ralph. I hear it. If I hear any more of this lovey-dovey stuff, give me a wastebasket. Yeah. Oh, man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh is right, Boo.
Yeah!
Stupid ghost. Well, yeah, you're a dummy.
I got something for you, you nosy floating turd.
Red Bull!
Now, let me see. Oh, here it is.
Gotta go.
Nice
Ladies and gentlemen, Red Bull doesn't know what's about to happen.
What the heck is that sound? Great, there goes my book.
Oops.
Dang it, Boo.
Sorry.
Okay, page 310 is where I left off of. Boo, man, not cool.
No time for chit-chat, man. I'm out of here.
Wait. Did you mess with Blockman? Well?
Not exactly. Okay, yes.
Well, I can't say you this time. You know, messing with somebody when they're asleep, they might turn out bad.
Oh, crap. Here he comes. Boo!
I'm gonna send you straight to the afterlife.
Where did that undead floating turd go to?
I'm not getting into this one. I'm almost done with my mystery novel. The title is Lies Above the Surface.
I'll get him. I'm gonna lean back to take a
I
look.
am trying to finish this novel, you know.
Vanessa. Cherry Blossom.
Oh, Lord, you're going to put up with this talking in the sleep all day. I just want to get the novel done.
Hey, my little rabbit tail. What are you up to?
Oh, I'm up to about a girl that's named Vanessa. She's supposed to meet me to eat some lunch.
This is so lovely, Blockman.
What can a guy say?
I know. Remember the first time we met?
Of course. We met at Craven Coffee Shop.
And what did my sweetie Pooh say?
I can't remember. No, I'm just playing. I believe I said, this super is super.
Now stay right there. Big Bob is gonna come over. Would you be my wifey? Give me a kiss. Come on, give me a kiss.
Oh, God. What happened to you?
What the heck? Give me kisses.
Oh, God. Ah! This is torment. Just like stepping on broken glass.
That's gonna mess him up.
Block. Wake up, Block. Block, it's a nightmare.
Good God, it's a nightmare.
Was it the giant frog dream again trying to eat you?
Oh, God, I'm glad I'm awake. Lord, I wish it was. This was broken cookies compared to this one.
I would ask for details, but I'm a little sketchy on this one.
Well, it started out I was having a romantic dinner with Vanessa.
Okay, that sounds good so far.
Then I went to go lean in to give her a kiss. Hold on. Hold on, this is hard for my stomach to digest.
Well?
While I went to go kiss Vanessa, she turned into Grandpa.
This should be in the Guinness Book of Records funny.
Well, it wouldn't have been funny if he was your Gramps. I ain't sleeping for... I used your toothbrush to scrub my butt today.
You did what? You kissed your Gramps.
Oh, God, don't say that.
I was right the first time. I shouldn't have asked you.
Sweetie, I'm home from what the heck? What in the city egg are you two
I'll
doing?
tell you later, Vanessa.
I don't even know why I'm throwing up.
Don't worry, Vanessa, you get used to it.
Yeah, that's some kind of a human ritual or something.
Not hardly, but...
Everybody stop it, I can't take it anymore.
Here, I'm not holding your hair
Come
up.
on, honey. Come on, honey.
There's my hair in it. I can't throw up anymore.
Oh, I am out of here.
Ooh, I'm better. I forgot to tell you, Blockman. Gramps called. He'll be over soon.
Oh, Lord, not again.
Freaking weirdos.
Tell Grandpa. Tell Grandpa not today.
Shut up, Boo. Next time you have a dream, please don't tell me about it, even if I ask.
Blockman versus Red Bull.